Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're gonna talk about converting radians to degrees and back again. How do you convert radians to degrees? As an example, what is minus 3 pi over 4 in degrees? In this conversion, the negative sign doesn't make a difference. And if we wanna convert radians to degrees, we just multiply by 118 degrees over pi. And now the pi on the bottom and the pi on the top cancel each other out. So we have minus 3 times 118 degrees over 4. And now 4 and 118 simplify with each other. And we have 45. So 3 times 45 degrees is equal minus 135 degrees. So minus 3 pi over 4 in radians is equal minus 135 degrees. So let me give you another example. How many degrees is 2 pi? So just multiply 180 degrees over pi. So the pi on the bottom and the pi on the top cancel each other out. So we have 2 times 118 degrees is equal 360 degrees. Now it's your turn. How many degrees do you think pi over 4 radians? So we multiply 180 degrees over pi. Now the pi's cancel each other out. So we have 180 degrees over 4 is equal 45 degrees. Now you know how to change radians to degrees. Next, let's learn how to change degrees to radians. This time we just multiply by pi over 180. For example, what is 30 degrees in radians? We just multiply pi over 180 degrees. So we have 3 times pi over 180. Now we can simplify 13 and 180. So we have in the bottom we have 6. And so 30 degrees is equal pi over 6. Let me give you another example. How many radians is 90 degrees? We just multiply pi over 180 degrees. So 90 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. And now 90 and 180 simplify with each other, and also the unit degrees cancel. So we have 90 degrees is equal pi over 2. Now I wanna introduce you to the common radians measures. You should definitely know this because they're used a lot in math problem. Pi over 6 or 30 degrees. Pi over 4 or 45 degrees. Pi over 3 in radians is equal 60 degrees. And pi over 2 in radians is equal 90 degrees. Or pi in radians is equal 180 degrees. And 3 pi over 2 is equal 270 degrees. And finally 2 pi in radians is equal 36 degrees.